Humanoid robot stuns with Michael Jackson Moonwalk and Duck Walk. KAIST AI breakthrough. KAIST's latest robot has shown that science can move with style, performing Michael Jackson's iconic moonwalk while also demonstrating advanced walking and running capabilities. Developed by researchers at the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, the robot begins its demo gliding backwards with smooth moonwalk steps before shifting into steady walking about 2.2 miles per hour, then running up to 7.5 miles per hour, an impressive pace for a machine designed to mimic human movement. The engineers don't just stop at showing off. The robot is shoved and kicked in push recovery tests, yet it manages to regain balance and return to its path without stumbling, proving its stability under real-world conditions. In further trials, the robot performs blind walking, navigated obstacles, steps and debris without cameras, relying solely on internal sensors and learned control, while also managing a duck walk with deep knee bends and even stiff leg bounding drills often used by athletes. Standing about 5.5 tall and weighing about 165 pounds, 75 kg, the robot is powered by in-house designed motors, reducers and drivers with movement controlled by an AI system trained using reinforcing learning to overcome the usual gap between simulation and reality. Researchers at KAIST say the ultimate goal is to give humanoid robots not just flashy dance moves, but practical industrial skills like pushing carts, climbing ladders and performing tasks that require both mobility and manipulation, making the Moonwalk machine more than just a smooth operator. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.